Hey guys, today is December 7th, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, I'm going to be telling you guys how to make some hot chocolate for Christmas. So, let's go ahead and get started with that. See you guys in a bit when we can make hot chocolate. It is time to pull today's chain. Yippee! Chain link. We're on here down to December 7th, and look how short it is. It's like, I know, look at that. Not too much longer until Christmas Eve. Yay! Let's go ahead and pull it. December 7th. Let's see what today's link is. Like, what today's activity is. I don't know, it's easy. Wear Christmas earrings to the game. So, challenge you guys to wear, if you have your ears pierced, challenge you guys to wear Christmas earrings to, like, whatever, like, to church or something, wear Christmas earrings day. So, there's a lot of ways that you can make hot chocolate special. First of all, you can use your favorite cup. First of all, so this is my favorite cup. It's a really good cup, but I don't have any Christmas mugs here at school, so that's the only one I have for hot drinks. But you can definitely use Christmas mugs. Like we have a Christmas mugs at home, like a snowman. I'm probably gonna show you one of those when I do like a day in the life at home during winter break. Go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to show you guys one of those. Like, probably, I don't really know like when I'm going to show it to you guys, but I'll probably show you guys a snowman mug or one of our other mugs that we have. So, you could use like special hot chocolate mix, like peppermint and stuff. But I currently have, in my dorm, this, just a K-cup of hot chocolate, just a milk chocolate one. You could do you could do things like peppermint. You could do and just like some regular hot chocolate. You can use water or milk, whatever you prefer. But something I do not have in my dorm that I really like in my hot chocolate is creamer. We typically do French vanilla creamer, but sometimes the stores out of French vanilla creamer, like there was the last time. So you could get some special holiday creamer. There's like coffee creamer. There's like I think it was peppermint mocha. I think that was really good. That one was good. So definitely, if you like creamer in your hot chocolate, definitely get some of the creamer, like special holiday creamer if you want. And also, I only have a partial candy cane because I ate the rest, but you can use a candy cane to stir your hot chocolate. And this is blue raspberry, so I don't think that would be yummy. But you could use like a spearmint, like one of those green and white candy canes to stir the hot chocolate, with, or you can use a red candy cane. So, and I'll probably make some hot chocolate in a little bit. Maybe that tomorrow morning, and I'll probably make it. I don't think I'll make it tomorrow morning. I think I'm gonna make it tonight. So, I don't really know when I want to make hot chocolate, but I'm probably gonna get cold because it's about time for me to go to bed. So, I'll probably be fine with hot chocolate tonight, but I'll show you. Basically, I'm just showing you guys. It's what I like to do with it. Let me know what you like to do with your hot chocolate. Do you like to it with water or milk? Do you like candy canes? Like definitely marshmallows, candy canes, stuff like that. Candy canes makes your favorite topping for hot chocolate, like whipped cream, marshmallows, things like that. So personally, I don't mind like water. I don't mind milk. I don't really care. I really like whipped cream and marshmallows, hot chocolate, and I also like it when like I put a candy cane in there. and stir it up. And I also really like creamer in my hot chocolate too. I will probably show you guys sometime like how what my hot chocolate looks at home. With I don't know if we have any marshmallows at home. I don't remember, but no big deal. Show you guys that so you know what you guys like, and also let me know how excited you guys are. Like, do you have for Christmas? Like, do you have any gifts under your tree yet? Personally, at home, we do have gifts. I haven't wrapped any of mine yet, but we do have some gifts at home under the tree. And I do not have any here right now. I took my last gift home, and my little tree is too tiny to have any. I don't have any gifts under my tree here at school. So there you go. See you guys tomorrow for day 8, which is Sunday. Yay! Hey guys, so let's open the advent calendar to look at for day 7. This is the top part of the advent calendar. Let's see day 7 on there. Do you guys see day 7 on there? Alright, and then here's the bottom. Did you guys see day 7? I think I did. Where do you think day 7 is? I think it's right here. I will open it up and I'll work the puzzle and show you guys what the finished product is. So, here's the finished puzzle for today, December 7th. And it was easier than the previous 2, definitely. But it was a nice challenge. It was definitely easier than the previous 2. But it was still a nice challenge. So, it's going to go over here. I might run out of room to work the puzzles because, I might run out of room by the time finals is up. I don't think I could fit one more because the advent calendar kind of spans. Let's see. Maybe I can fit it. No, that's not worth it. So, there you go. See you guys tomorrow for day 7. For day 8.